couple of long things just now. You again, happy birthday to a beautiful woman, a potential woman. A round of applause to this beautiful woman when I see for television. It's not a day job to create an history. The only woman where we say don't create history for the land of Spain, Madrid or Barcelona. Nowhere they don't know this woman for Spain. Who is this woman we are talking about? It's a comfortable princess, aka Madame Sabi one of Spain. Worldwide International Incorporated. The only woman will be say she go see you when you're hungry, she go help you. The only woman will be say she even use money till they do toilet through. The only woman will be say money they run after. She not they pursue money, but now money they pursue her. The only woman will be say hungry don't go feel even beat for this life again. Even if she walk, she don't walk. Madame Sabi one of Spain of Ghana. Madame Sabi one of Spain. Ije Okpije no kwa. The woman will be say you go know you can never lack. The woman will be say you go know hungry don't go beat you. The woman will be say you go know you don't go even regret say you come this world. Why are they celebrating today? And because of your friend, your lovely friend with the UK. She say if I don't celebrate you, what did she gain? Now make me tell you what right now. A round of applause to this beautiful woman, Madame Sabi one of Spain. Now the same television. Now she be this. Madame Sabi one of Spain or Ghana. Madame Sabi one of Spain, the only woman that created history in the land of Spain. Nobody don't do party for Spain where they carry like this. But this woman create history for Spain and everybody they respect this woman. She they respect herself. She don't they feel proud. And some people they when they even get money, reach half of this woman. They're gonna do like this. They're gonna do like both. But this woman, with her heart of gold, she see the help people. Madam Sabi, if I say I continue everything for this studio, I know we'll finish out because money we are paying for this studio, it was small. So I have to go outside and go finish this video for you. Happy birthday, Madam Sabi. Just wait, you will see me for outside immediately. No?
How far? What is the shop now?
Bros, wait till the shop. Not be you promise me say you go help me. I tell you today I dey go Madam Sabi birthday now for Spain now, for Madrid now.
Guy, you know you're ready for life. Use what you have to get what you don't have. If they ask me money, I don't want to borrow you any money because the one they borrow is you never pay. Bring your other brother shoe, I could get shoe. Till the night, bring and come back.
Bros, that's what you do. You say want give me 50 euro for only 2 shoes.
That man, even if you debut the concert, you go add one joiner, 3 shoe. I will pay for 2, 1 are free. If
that
you
now 100 euro, what give me for 2? You can't leave one.
100 euro, now I pay, guy.
No, I mean they come in, because they cannot go this comfortable as well. Birthday. Now they lost. Come before.
Block me for Sebruno. Block me for Sebruno.
Jesus.
Yeah, believe hey, Father. Now say they say my shoe. Child. If I sleep, so if I sleep, I sleep with die. So if oh Father, my brother, why you dey bring like this?
Jesus.
Why did you Jesus Christ?
Why did you Jesus?
Why did you Jesus?
Why did you Jesus Christ?
What did I do you, bros? My shoe. You know how much? You know how much? You know how much? You won't say my shoe they go birthday. Oh Father, I won't say one. My brother. No, I do all this kind of thing.
Bros, I beg.
What did my brother blow your
I beg now, they go this comfortable as wife birthday now for Madrid now. That woman we find now. Comfortable as wife. Madam Sabina, what this mean?
That woman with the advisor.
If I told them our birthday now.
Jesus. You for tell me no, my brother.
I want to say that. No. I don't say if I go there, she will give me some money. Then I take the
no. I'll give money to buy ticket. That woman now, better woman.
Thank you very much.
Mommy will not say begin the hungry go get food. Mommy will not say if your husband come go put water for fire for me take buy give my food. Why not give money? Then a mommy they try go buy ticket. Not the same party again.
Thank you. This will not be fake, sir.
No.
Now this
one come on because now I'm driving the go meeting. Mommy, happy birthday, long life, prosperity. I go eh.
Thank you, brother. Okay. God bless you. I really appreciate it. Okay, now. Now you wish happy birthday. I tell us I don't see the money. Ah! Happy birthday to a beautiful woman, comfortable as wife, one of Madrid. Because of you, I felt go studio. Go tell people, say they watch you because you created an history. Today, you are celebrating your birthday. It's not a day job. God love you. Now make God keep you to this world. People go jealous you, but I want me to keep this one for mine. See, anytime people they jealous you, now that time God to bless you most. That is why your lovely husband, Baba Ken, one of Madrid City. Oh my God. He said, my God wishing your lovely wife a happy birthday. As they talk, now Mama Twins, one of UK. She said, my God celebrate her best friend. She said, her friend will correct. Now they celebrate Madam Sabi, comfortable as wife. Oswia is a oh my God. I wish you long life and prosperity, favor, all that you could not achieve before, you will achieve them in this your new age. Madam Sabi, me one day, we will Sabi him, we will bless him with the in case Baba Ken, one of Madrid, which is your husband, not by UK today, and your lovely friend, Mama Twins, one of UK, not by UK today, Mama just enter Google, download cake, puna, cotton, cake is a cake, but I know say you get money, you don't go download cake, you must buy cake, who must to tell Mama. God bless your new age. Kokole long thing, Chai!
Ooh, yeah. I wish you happy birthday. Ooh. very many happy returns. Ooh, yeah. I wish you a happy birthday.